Hello everyone! In this video we are going to create our environment or Django project for our articles post website, right? Whatever. Um and we always use an environment for like any Python project that we're working on, even for Django. You can just go ahead and use PyCharm for this. I don't know, just open PyCharm and here you can just create your project and choose Python 3.7, 3.0, whatever you have. Just make sure it's Python 3, right? Yeah, just you can just do that and you can use PyCharm. Today I'm going to do it in a different way. I'll just go open my terminal, like let me put this bigger so let me see. I think I just do it like that way. Oops. Um, nope. 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 Hey, that's what I'm doing. Yeah. Boom. Here we go. Okay, so first of all, let's go to a directory, whatever. I have one like called Django already. You can just go ahead and create one. I don't know. Here now we can just use Python 3 and to create our environment. You type this, make, bam, and the name of your environment. I will call it Django blog. You can call it whatever you want. That's what I'm going to call it now for now. And just click enter. Here we go. We have Django blog. Okay, let's go inside. Oops. Okay. Okay. Here we have bin, include, leave is where all our libraries, third-party apps, like Django, like all of these will install. Bin is to call the the file to activate this environment. Let's just go ahead and click and call source bin activate. Boom. Now we activated our environment. Always make sure that your environment is activated. When in every Python project that you're working on, always make sure and install, right? Okay, so we have our environment activated. Let's go ahead and install Python, right? Let's go pip install Django, sorry. We have Python, we just need Django. Boom. Okay, here we go. I'm working with Django 3.0 this moment. Just make sure that you have this is the latest version. Yeah, we want to work with this one. Um, Now we have Django. Let's go ahead and create a Django project, right? In order to do that, we just type Django admin star project, and now the name of our project, I will call it Django blog. It's the same. You can call it Django blog project or whatever you want. I just call it like that, Django blog. Okay, hit enter. That was quick. Yeah, now we have our Django blog here. yeah. So inside our Django block, we have a directory and we have a file here. In the next video, we are going to talk more about all of these files, and yeah, this is for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.